Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make curved text in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to click New Slide drop-down menu. Then create a blank slide. Then go to Insert menu and click this word art drop-down menu and choose any word art. Now write your text. Now select this text and go to text fill drop down menu and choose a light color. Then again go to text effect and choose text transform and click this ARC. Now click your mouse here and drag it. Now you can see I make curved text in PowerPoint very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.